Introvert and extrovert. It's not actually to do with how sociable you are. So what is the difference? It's whether your attention naturally focuses on the outer world or your inner world. But in the same way that we breathe, both in and out, nobody is completely an introvert or an extrovert, because we do both. The secret is to discover which ways of introverting and extroverting you naturally prefer. We extrovert when we think aloud, get involved with experiences and people, and see loads of possibilities. When we connect with and actively care for others, and when we make plans and get things done. You introvert when you observe and reflect, when you savor your experience and ponder on the bigger picture, when you listen to your inner feelings of right and wrong, and when you think things through carefully. When you understand the ways that you introvert and extrovert, you gain more freedom to choose the best pathways to channel your energy, and you can learn how to move from one world to the other more easily. We always live in both worlds, and whether you start from outside or inside, the challenge is to grow so you can flourish in both.